Euro USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see here, based on the daily chart, we are within this correction. When what we are interested, we expect it. I mean, if you want to trade, we are more interested in down move. Now the question is how long this correction will be there and how deep this one can be. All right, and before that, whether we should expect that we get the internal correction, that means the price drop move before we get the down move, or not within this correction we can get. That means whether we should get a more complex correction or not. We are not sure based on that, and we don't have any trade set up based on daily chart. In this case, we want a down move. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, one of the option we up to now in my last videos we look into it was we had this, consider this one as expanding flat. That means we have one move correction and this move, that all the way become one move in relative to this. In this case, if this move is finished, then we can look for down move. That means based on this one, if we consider we have this correction and this move is finished, now what we're interested in the down move. That means we should look for the down move, and we are more interested to look for the sell setup. Then if we want to look for sell setup, whether we get the sell from here or we should wait the price break the top, then from there we look for the down move. Okay, there is one more option. The second option is that how about if from here the price drop, we get the correction similar to what we have here. Also there is a possibility we get this. Okay, in that case then everything will be different. Okay, in that case we can consider this one as a correction. That means we have one move, this correction, then we should expect one move up. Okay, that means the whole analysis here will be different. We have to change it, but right now this is as an option, may it happen, but right now we don't have it, we cannot confirm it. Okay, that means we need to see by next week whether the price, if the price come to some, there is a possibility the price drop somewhere around here or even to this low, then reverse. Compared to this, because we can at that time we can have a different flat. If we get this one happen, all the analysis here will be different, but right now is as option, may it happen. The reason is if we get any sell setup from here, as long as the price come to this level or lower, we need to see. Okay, but right now what we have it, the information we have, we get this correction in relative this move and this move, and what we interested, if we get any sell setup, we want this sell come to this level. And we should bear in mind there is a possibility if there is a down move, whether from here or higher, there is a price come here or here, there is a possibility we get one move up. In that case, all these analysis will be different based on the second option. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now here. Now the question is whether the price from here drop or we expect the price break the top and drop. Okay, one things also I need to highlight here, how about if the price come to this level, drop, we get the correction here. Okay, in that case we should wait to finish this correction. We should expect the one move up before the price drop. This is the only times if we get the correction here, and the correction should be whether the price from here or higher come to this low, reverse, we get the correction, then that means also analysis will be different. Why I'm mentioning about this and this, the previous option is that if we get any sell setup whether from here or higher, as long as the price come to this level, we need to see if there is a continuation, we keep. If we see this not continuation is correcting, we take out the trade. Same option, same explanation also if the price break this low, come within this range. Okay, anyway, now what we're interested in the down move. Do we have any sell setup based on the 1 hour chart? We don't have it. Okay, and when the market open, if we get any sell setup, we are from here, we are more interested. And if they break the top with a divergence, it can be best for us. And if we get any sell setup from here, or if break the top, as long as the price come to this level, we need to see if there is a continuation, we keep. If this is not there is no continuation or correcting, we take the trade, because we can expect, just now explaining, for the correction here. How about if when the market open we get the correction here, the price drop, we get the correction, we need to see, do we need to look for buy? It depends. We need to see what type of the correction here we get, and it depends on the traders and whether, we need to look for that trade in terms of the risk and reward can give us a good trade, even in terms of the strategy and the correction we get. We need to see. Right now I cannot say if we get the correction here we can look for buy. We need to see what type of the correction we get, because also there is a possibility we get a correction and the price come, and because we see we expect even the price break the top. Also, how about if we get the correction and the price break the top and go a bit higher, then it can be a good buy setup as well. That's why right now I cannot say if we get any buy setup we get here we can look for buy. It depends. We need to see what type of the correction we get here. Okay, anyway, we refer back to our analysis based on higher time frame. Whatever right now I explain is based on the correction here is based on the 1 hour chart, but based on the higher time frame for hours and daily chart, what we are more interested in the down move. And now the down move can be whether from here or the price move break the top. How high it can go how it can go we are not sure, but from there we look for the down move. That means based on the higher time frame we are more interested in the down move. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. When the market open we just follow we follow the chart. Then if I see any trade setup or any update I will share on the YouTube. Thanks.